I'm Boey.
For more Boey Bear videos, please subscribe.
Good morning to Boey. Good morning to you. Good morning to everyone. It's nice to see you.
Hello, Boey, and hello to you at home. If yesterday was Monday, what day is it today?
Do you know?
Boey's listening. Let's find out with the Days of the Week song.
Ooh. Okay. Yay!
Is everyone ready?
Ready?
There's Sunday and there's Monday, Tuesday and there's Wednesday, Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. There's Sunday and there's Monday, Tuesday and there's Wednesday, Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday.
Yesterday was Monday, so today is Tuesday.
Today is Tuesday.
Can you hear
A
that?
train. Ooh.
It's the number train. Let's see what number stops at the station today. Count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Ooh, it's slowing down.
Today's number is 17. Can you say
17.
well done? Now let's count the number. There should be 17 marbles in this glass. And today we have a marble run. We're going to count the marbles as I drop them into the marble run. Get ready to count.
Ready?
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4.
4.
Let's watch the first one as it drops down the marble run. 5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10,
10,
11,
11,
12,
12,
13,
13,
14,
14,
15,
15,
16,
16,
17.
17.
And the last one. Here goes marble number 17. We dropped 17 marbles down the marble run. Here's how you write it. Get your finger up in the air and copy along. Ready, steady, go! 17 is made up of the number 1 and 7. Start at the top and go straight down. And now for the 7. Make a straight line across, then diagonally down. Let's do it again, but a bit faster. Copy along with your finger in the air. Well done! Today's number is
17.
It's time for colour of the day.
Yay!
Here's our colour spinner. Put your pointing finger up in the air and flick it down. Get ready to spin it with me. 3, 2, 1, spin! Today's colour is brown. Can you say
Brown.
great? Make binoculars with your hands like this. Put your hands together and you have binoculars. From where you're sitting, can you see something that is brown? Have a look for today's colour. What did you find at home? What can we see that is brown? Oh, what was that?
It's a brown cake.
So the colour of the day is
Brown.
what other things around us are brown? Get ready to answer. Brown,
Cookies.
a brown,
Basket.
a brown,
Puppy.
a brown,
Violin.
brown,
Pine cones.
and a brown.
Bear. That's me.
Great! Was that your tummy rumbling, Boey?
Was it your tummy at home?
Oh, it might have been mine. I think we're all hungry. It must be snack time. Here's my grocery bag. It's full of different fruits and vegetables. Have a look. I'm going to put my hand in and pick out a fruit or vegetable for today. You have to guess what it is. They're dark pink. These are individual, juicy berries. Here you go, Boey.
Thank you.
Can you guess what it is at home?
These are raspberries.
That's right. Can you say
Raspberries.
well done?
Ooh.
Here are some raspberries for our snack.
Yum yum. It's nice and sweet.
Here are my raspberries. They're crunchy and juicy at the same time. Yum! The fruit of the day is
Raspberry. Yay!
So let's go over what we've learnt today. Today is
Tuesday.
the number of the day is
17.
and today's colour is
Brown.
and what did we have at snack time?
Raspberries.
Well done! I'll see you again tomorrow for our next circle time. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Thank you. See you tomorrow.
For more Boey Bear videos, please subscribe.